Hello, good morning. Kita orang bangun awal hari ni, pergi breakfast. Today, last day. Kita orang tengah packing, bersiap-siap nak check out. Lepas tu makan Plov, Samarkand Plov. Lepas tu beli souvenir. Pukul 4.30 nak kena ada dekat train station. And then go back to Tashkent. Baru drop bag. Sekarang nak cari Plov. So kita orang dekat restoran paling famous, paling sedap dekat Samarkand, dekat dengan airport. So hari ni kita orang try.
So this is kimchi, pickle, tomato, and this one what?
I don't know, this one vegetable, green, like a root vegetable.
I don't know what is this, what type of vegetable, but
Like a radish.
sedap, rangup. Makan dengan, this one yogurt, right? Juicy. Kat sini ramai gila orang, full. Maybe because sebab lunch time. Sebelum Plov sampai kita makan roti dulu. Roti. Oh, our Plov sampai. So kat sini Plov diorang letak dalam big plate macam ni. So makan pakai seduah share. So portion ni untuk 2 orang. Ada cili, daging, carrot, telur. Jom, try. Selalu Plov diorang potong carrot panjang-panjang. Tapi kat sini diorang potong square. Sedap. Serius sedap. So ini adalah first time kita orang datang makan kat sini. Last time datang ke last year datang Samarkand tak sempat nak makan Plov. Tapi diorang cakap kalau datang Samarkand wajib, must try Samarkand Plov. It's totally different dengan Bukhara dan juga Tashkent. Sedap gila. Beza Plov dekat sini dengan tempat lain. Sini tak banyak sangat kismis, kacang pun tak banyak, carrot banyak, daging banyak, nasi banyak. Alhamdulillah kita orang baru lepas makan. Memang sedap. Puas hati. 40,000 som. How much? $5? Dalam RM20. Murah gila. Kita orang berada di Registan, salah satu tempat bersejarah di Samarkand. We was here last year, so we come again for second time.
Menara 1, menara 2. Menara 2 ni sengit. Boleh nampak.
Last year aku dan Amir kita orang climb sampai ke atas tu. Ada lagi gambar dia. Kat sini gambar dia. Check.
Oh, they know English.
Kena interview this guy.
Okay, hello.
This guy is interview me. You guys are student or what?
Yeah, student.
For interview about healthy food. Samarkand adalah lokasi terakhir kita orang for this trip. Semua orang tengok aku bawa kamera. Apa benda lah budak ni buat. Tapi kita orang jumpa. We met two guys. They also a vlogger. They got YouTube channel. Subscriber dia orang banyak gila, 200,000. Aku baru 100 lebih. It's okay.
Subscribe,
Please subscribe my channel. It's okay. Good thing takes time. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Samantha.
Samanda. Okay. Nice to meet you. Good ice cream. Bye.
One or two?
Can buy 2, 3 also can. Untuk candle, cantik kan? Oh yo, that's nice.
I will take this,
Yes.
this.
Banyak kenaikan. Comel je. Cik.
Samir.
Kulizdagi mana bilan tur.
Kedai ini menjual barang-barang perhiasan, semuanya daripada handmade. Detail, very detail. Dapat magnet free. Souvenir dah beli.
Come on, we can't go away. We don't need them, we don't need them, oh, oh. We could be free by ourselves.
Okay, bye.
Seat number 20.
See you in Tashkent. Ada air. Hot tea. As. Sandwich. Nice.
Come on, we can't go away. We don't need them, we don't need them, oh, oh. We could be free by ourselves. Laying our goals and dreams low.
Hi.
Malik. Hi.
Ha.
Malik. Hi. Mama. Papa. Oh.
Kita punya tamu kopi wah.
Hai.
Şanslıdır. Cum. Malik. Hi.
Это мама. Папа. Ха. Ха.
Подождите вы. Мама.
Ха.
Look at Baba. Mama.
Быстрее показывай, я не могу терпеть. Что ты мне купила?
Сейчас пойдем. Поцелуй. Малик, поцелуй.
Why you so light? Huh? Not heavy? You not eat? Or you eat?
I eat chicken with salt tomato.
Wow, salt. Okay, so that's all for today. We already here. We already here. I'm so tired. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Come on, come on.